Welcome to another Simple Dad DJI Pocket 3 tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set custom modes on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Custom modes are shooting parameters which you can save so you can basically choose a mode and start shooting really quickly. So let me show you how to set custom modes on your DJI Pocket 3. The maximum number of custom modes you can configure on your DJI Pocket 3 is 5. So first you want to go ahead and power on your DJI Pocket 3. Next, you want to go ahead and select your video settings. So I'll make this 1080p and 25 frames or 24 frames. So this is my first custom mode. So to save this as my first custom mode, go ahead and bring the custom menu down by swiping down. Go ahead and tap on this person icon here. And now go ahead and tap on C1 and the plus sign. So as you can see, it has saved C1 as video 1080p on 24 frames per second with a ratio of 16:9. So go ahead and tap on confirm. This will now confirm my first custom mode. Now let's set another custom mode. Let's make that 4K and 50 frames per second. Now to set this as a custom mode, again, swipe down, tap on the person icon here, the top left, and then tap it to C2. So as you can see, it's a video mode, 4K, 16:9 ratio with 50 frames per second. Confirm that, and now that's saved. Now let's set another custom mode for photos. So I'll select photo, swipe up from the bottom edge, select your aspect ratio, so 1:1. Now bring down the menu, select the profile picture, and now go ahead and save that to the custom menu C3. Confirm that. And now, if you go into your mode selection, you'll have all your custom menus which you have configured. So I have C1, C2 and C3. C1 is HD, C2 is 4K, and C3 is my photo configuration with 1:1 ratio. And that is how to configure custom mode on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.